My name is Petr Hanek, and I'm a senior consultant colorectal surgeon in Darren Valley Hospital, which is one of the hospitals located in the south east of London. I have been practicing surgery for 32 years. What made me choose the surgery or the bowel surgery as my professional life is the reason is that the overall the medicine and the surgery has the long tradition in my family. I'm a third generation of a surgeon, as my granddad as well as my dad spend their lives as surgeons, and therefore I always have been very close to this environment, and of course that made me most likely decide to having this job. My subspecialty is proctology. This means the disease of the back passage, including the cancer. But my other main specialty is the bowel cancer. And yet again, the reason why I have decided for this is that both my granddad as well as my dad, they both have been affected by the cancer, and they both died for the bowel cancer. So I believe that this is the condition I should fight against. Where did I grow up? I was born in Prague, and so my origin is Czech. I spent my childhood as well as my middle age in the Czech Republic. I have graduated at the Charles University in 1990 and become the junior doctor, and now already 19 years ago I have decided to challenge myself and see what am I able to achieve, and I left for Britain, for London, and now already 19 years I'm practicing as a colorectal senior consultant surgeon. What I found the most rewarding in my job, funny enough, in my situation, I feel the answer is very simple. It is the trust of the people. It is the trust of the patient who come for the advice with some serious trouble that makes them concerned, that makes them anxious, that makes them the qualities of lives are compromised. And of course they trust us, so they hopefully trust me, and that is the best reward in my job, because if you think in the consequence, they trust me to the point that they let the anesthetist to put the patient asleep and me to do what I think is right. And I think in that case the trust has to be really quite very strong. And of course, on the second note, naturally it is very uplifting to help people and to help them to get rid of the pain, the trouble, and the concern they have in their lives.